This well-made durable rotary tool provides more power and delivers less heat than a regular rotary tool, perfect for DIY craft and gift. Working in the garage, jewelry tools and equipment, model making, woodworking, metalworking, glassworking, and others. 6-step speeds, from 10,000 max up to 40,000 RPM. 150% faster than other tools, which delivers ultimate advantage. By adjusting the speed, you can make delicate engravings. Cutting, polishing, grinder, etc. Flex shaft and extendable stand can be installed in seconds. The flexible axis gives you a more comfortable operation and enables delicate engraving. It provides more flexibility and comfort for your work. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. For glass and metal cutting. We have attached cut-off wheels for wood and metal products and offer additional diamond cutting discs that can help users get the job done faster and more efficiently, especially for stone, ceramic, and floor tiles. Note: to extend the working life of the diamond disc, wet it and use a protective cover to ensure safety when using it. Number 2. For engraving and drilling work. 10x high-speed cutter. For craft, styling, or repair on ceramics, tiles, bricks, glass, plastic, fiberglass, steel, and wood. The flex shaft can be attached to the rotary tool in seconds, easy to reach the hard-to-reach place. Also, the pen design grip makes it feel easier to draw a picture in engraving work. It provides you with more flexibility and comfort for your work. Number 3. Including a hold, hanger stand clamp, and a universal chuck. The bracket usually sells for $10, and the universal chuck usually sells for $8. Number 4. 200 watts. 1.8 amp powerful motor. The powerful 200 watts 1.8 amp motor increases the efficiency of the TECCPO rotary tool by 30% compared to conventional rotary tools. It allows you to finish the job quickly, save time, gain depth, simply increase power and efficiency, and make work easier. You can sculpt, cut, polish, refine, drill, or simply smooth parts. Number 5. 6 rotation with adjustable speed. Multi-use rotary tool with 6-speed mode. With 5+ max mode, the rotation speed is 40,000 revolutions per minute max. You can freely adjust the rotation speed of 10,000 revolutions per minute to 40,000 revolutions per minute max, which also depends on the content of the work and the type of materials used for optimal precision, whatever the application. Number 6. Compact design plus keyless chuck. Flexible shaft for easier use in tight spaces. Extendable practical rotary clamp holder. Protective cover helps avoid debris and sparks during cutting, grinding, sanding, etc. The ergonomically shaped soft rubber grip effectively reduces vibration and gives you optimal control during operation. The universal chuck is an ideal partner for the rotary tool when it needs accessory change frequently. Wide acceptance for 1/32" to 1/8" shanks. Number 7. 196 accessories plus sturdy case, suitable for a wide range of applications. 196 high-performance accessories meet your different needs and offer more work possibilities, and they can be applied to any project. It comes with a perfect carrying case that includes a designated place for each piece in the kit, and that keeps them safe, clean, organized, and easy to find, light, and easy to carry. Number 8. What you get. 1 TECCPO 200 watts multi-tool. 1 fixed rail, 1 extensible support, 1 flexible shaft, 1 3-jaw chuck, 1 transparent protective plate, 196 accessories, 1 transparent accessory case, 1 toolbox, 1 user manual, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. How can I use the universal keyless chuck? Answer. This is a useful accessory that usually costs about $8. It is included in our kit and it is compatible with 1/32" to 1/8" diameter fittings. You can easily and quickly change fittings without any other tools. Question number 2. How to connect the flex shaft to the rotary tool? Answer. Firstly, you must remove the nose cap and collet nut. Secondly, install the driver cap and tighten it, but not too tight. Thirdly, install the flexible shaft and make sure the driver on the shaft engages the square hole on the driver cap. Question number 3. Is it suitable for long-time work? Answer. The large area of the honeycomb vent is conducive to heat dissipation. When working for too long, the motor will cut off the power. Professional overload protection can protect the tool from overheating. It is recommended to take a break after a long period of use, which will greatly extend the life of the tool. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.